Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to unbox FX-A410U car stereo unboxing. So let's do it.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
The quality of the stereo is pretty decent, and as you can see, it looks good also. And you can see we can give 4 channel in this stereo, and there are a lot of options in the stereo. It's a Bluetooth enabled, and we have a small remote to control the stereo, and we have wire set. In this wire set we have a yellow for fuse and black and red for as a power wire. The rest all are for speakers. So this is the cover, and you can see the Bluetooth enabled and NFC. We can control this using an Android app also. You can see the quality is okay for 1,200 bucks. These are the tools which we need to fix the stereo. So this is how we are going to make the connections. First we have to remove the old stereo and replace it by the new stereo. As I have said, there are power cables and speaker cables. So I'm going to tell you, this is the connector which we have to give the connection to the car. This is the connector on the top side. Now I'm going to tell which all wires belongs to which all sockets. So the yellow wires is for the fuse. Ground wire is a negative wire, it's a black one, and the red wire is the positive one. It's an AC wire with 12 volts, and the rest all the wires are for speakers. As you can see, the green wire is for rear speakers, rear left hand side speakers, and the purple wire is for the rear right hand side speakers, and the blue wire is for antenna, and the white wire is for front left, gray is for front right. So these are the wire sets, and we have to fix these wires according to the layout. So let's fix the wire. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more video.